Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning. So ngayon guys, magpunta kami ni Tami. Good afternoon na pala. It's almost 2 o'clock na. And then, kailangan namin umalis kasi nga meron kaming agenda ni Mr. Ngayon. Magpunta kami sa BG's and then sa bangko. BG's yung ano ba, wholesale like Costco. Pero, ang layo ng Costco dito. So, BG's kami kasi merong bibilin si Tami. Now, wala kayong Best Buy dito. Bibili siya ng external drive para sa yung extra work niya. Guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming lakad. Kasi nga, itong asawa ko. Itong gift card na ito, itong bag na ito, birthday bag, reuse ko lang siya. Tataguin ko and then next year na naman. Next year na naman yan. Pero okay, we will be right back. Okay, be a good girls. Hindi mga asawa, hindi na makalakad.
Complain about the price and I said, hey, you know what? I didn't have time to go, like, wait for it to come on the internet and all.
Guys, my car is full of Popeye's chicken.
Couple little crumbs, really?
Ay! Tignan nyo.
I have when you drive when you're eating.
Okay guys, punta tayo BG's. Did you lock the garage?
I did. Things are getting out already.
Yeah.
Maybe not tomorrow, obviously.
Why?
Because we're going down to Westchester.
Well, it's nice and green.
I told her we're going to stop and pick up the cereal from her when we're down there.
Okay guys, andito tayo sa... Ha? Hala, 80 bucks?
Oh, that's the antenna.
Oh. I thought it's like 80 bucks. Andito na tayo guys sa BG's. Halahan, maybe over there, oh? Why you go over there? Go over here.
She said down there in the first.
Okay, so ngayon, tignan natin dito kung meron sila. What is that? Han, you cannot... 20 bucks? That's what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Why are you getting 2 of that?
Because I have one of these.
Yeah.
It cost me $85.
Seriously? Ay, Christmas na talaga. I told you, Christmas is here. For Halloween. Hanap tayo. Oh, the candy. Let me see how much. Oh, 19. For how much? How many inside? No, it tells you how many it's inside. It tells you. Hala, look, Han. It's a lot. Look. It's inside. You need coupon with this. 13 bucks. Huh?
Magnums.
Oh, Häagen-Dazs, they're good.
I really like the Magnum.
Häagen-Dazs, the Magnum is good, expensive. They're all the same price anyway.
Yeah. Well, no, actually, Max, $8.79.
How many is inside and how is that?
Häagen-Dazs, you got 15 bars.
Is that the baby?
This you only got 9. We got 9 in here.
It's gonna get melt anyway. Huh? I don't know.
2 pounds of nuts, that's a lot.
Huh? For $5?
Yeah.
Is that good?
That's a good price.
Okay. Can I get this?
Okay.
Hun, because look, it's good for kids. How many it's inside? 2, right? 2
Cocoa
boxes.
Pebbles too.
Huh? Candy galore, guys. Ang dami. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. Candies. Candies. Allah, that's really nice, honey. You like that shit?
Yeah.
I really like. Oh my god, the almond and the chocolate together. Big bucks. Red Lobster.
Yeah, those are really good.
Huh?
You should get those.
No, I still have 1 box over there.
You should get it anyway.
I can. Hello, this is so big. They're so good. Yeah, 100. I see that. Yeah, it's right there.
So while she's doing
No.
that price is right. So I'm looking at it while she's trying to figure out how she's going to get the hard drive.
Okay guys, so nagpunta kami dito para sa external drive Pero ngayon, ang nabili namin is para padala sa Pinas, para sa ating balikbayan box, sa giveaway, and sa family. So yun siya, ito siya. Hershey na naman, additional candy at saka mga, ano tawag nun? Ito siya, how do you call this? Cereals, sugar high. So yun guys, we are here. Are on sale. That's a regular price.
The regular price is, yeah.
Serious? That's a lot
She
of
said
money.
the regular price is $79.99.
For that tiny thing?
So it's $160, which is what I paid. I paid $80 for it, $85. And then I guess they have it now too.
Can you check your
69.
credit card? How you can check your credit card?
I'll go on American Express app and see.
So now, that's what I like, ano?
What, the van?
That's,
Really?
That's the thing. Did you say that?
That's a
That's
little crappy ass van.
No.
Oh, that one over there.
Yeah.
No,
So now guys, I don't know where to go out. But listen to me. So where we can get out here?
poor puppies got nothing.
Huh?
Poor puppies, they didn't get nothing.
Wala, ay, how do...
We got 2 thumb drives,
I don't know where to get out.
which is why we
Oh, the light is over there.
originally came here. But then he called me and he changed the parameters. So I got these 2 thumb drives, the 256 gigs, and the SanDisk Ultra, which I like. They were on sale for $20 each. Now last time I bought one of these, it was $85 for one. So
It's like a price of
figured-
external, huh?
So I think, because it is, it's a solid state drive is what it is.
Yeah, external.
So I figured, hey, for $20 each, I'm gonna get them, and
Hold on.
for this guy, and save him the money.
Hala,
And then
how can I get out of here?
I have no idea.
What the
I thought
fuck?
over there, but I don't know where
It's
you're going
over
here.
there. Hold on.
You can't go there. It says no turn
Yeah,
here.
I know, but the street is over there, so that means they can get out of here.
So, shit, you're going in a circle now. Because you can't go straight either here. Now you gotta go back where you just came from.
Yeah, where I should go?
Turn left.
Right here?
Yeah, it's the only way you can go. So,
Wow, they charge you. Luckily, Tommy saw it, guys.
so they had it on sale for $20 each. So that's why we came here to start with. That was the whole reason to come here, because that's a good price. So we came here and then we wound up buying other stuff.
Yeah.
If we had just bought that, I would have known right away she made a mistake. But we bought other stuff, and the price and the total came out at 300 and change. It's like, this seems high to me. So I don't have the receipt yet, so I can't check anything. So when she's looking to see how she's gonna get the other hard drive, I'm looking at her monitor on the thing
Yeah.
to see what she charged me,
That's a lot.
and yeah, it was a lot.
I was surprised. Thumb drive was 100 something.
They charged me $140 instead of $40. So they had to give me the $100 discount.
Home Depot kami ngayon, guys. Dito kami sa Home Depot. May meron ka nang bibilhin na wala na masyadong tao ngayon dito. Electric snowblower. Oh, pinasok na nila yung bulaklak kasi maginaw. Ngayon guys, kukuha lang ako ng lupa para is this for sale now? Look at this, oh. Mura na lang, oh. So, meron lang akong bibilhin na lupa para sa ating, ang ginaw dito. It's cold out here, guys. Maginaw. So, yun. Marami pa sila mga bulaklak, oh. Wala, hindi nagbinta. Huh?
You get the bigger ones?
No, it's not a big one. Get the small one for only the thing I used.
Soil? There's 2 little small ones?
How much is that? $4. It's the same thing. I only one for like the.
This is a soil.
Yeah, I need a soil. What is it? The same thing over here.
Yeah, but that's the bigger ones.
Shake and feed. This one. So andito kami sa gasoline station para bili daw si Tami ng Lotto rin na naman, guys. Lotto. Kasi nga, Lotto is life. Kasi alam nyo naman itong si Tami, gustong manalo ng Lotto. And nakabili na kami guys ng lupa. Ang binili kong lupa, 2, and then fertilizer. Kasi nga, meron akong gustong i-transfer para ipasok sa loob ng bahay. Yung sili, so yun siya. Uwi na tayo.